If you're a Mac user, you know how crucial it is to keep your data safe. Today, we're diving into Carbon Copy Cloner, a backup tool that promises to protect your files effortlessly. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. Carbon Copy Cloner is designed to create complete backups of your Mac, allowing you to restore your system exactly as it was in case of a failure. It offers scheduled backups, which means you can set it and forget it, ensuring your data is always up to date without manual intervention. The user interface is pretty straightforward, making it accessible for both tech-savvy users and those who might be less comfortable with software. One standout feature is its ability to create a bootable backup, which can be a lifesaver if your primary drive fails. However, some users have noted that the initial setup can be a bit confusing, especially if you're not familiar with disk management. Overall, Carbon Copy Cloner feels robust and reliable, but there are definitely aspects of the user experience that could be clearer, particularly for those new to backup applications. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the ability to schedule backups and create bootable clones is a huge plus. It's also relatively fast and doesn't seem to bog down your system during the backup process. However, there are some frustrations. The learning curve can be steep for users unfamiliar with backup software, and some features may feel overly technical. Furthermore, while it's a one-time purchase, the pricing might seem a bit high compared to some subscription-based alternatives. This tool might not suit casual users who just want a simple drag-and-drop solution, but for those who need comprehensive backup options and are willing to invest the time to learn, Carbon Copy Cloner could be very beneficial. In conclusion, Carbon Copy Cloner is a solid choice for Mac users serious about data protection. If you value having complete control over your backups and don't mind a bit of a learning curve, it's worth considering. However, if you're looking for something simple and straightforward, you might want to explore other options.